So that's it. Thanks for Welcome to Shadow Stamp Statues. Today we're reviewing this. So today we got Rock Lee. We'll take a look at him. We'll take a look at that now. Let's get him unboxed. Cool. Let's get started. So you can see he comes pre-assembled, but he comes apart pretty easily. When I was taking the packaging off, he came apart like this. So this is all joined, and I don't know what this is. I don't think this is PVC. This is plastic. It can snap. I can tell this can snap. It's actually pretty cool. His bandage is coming off his arms. I'll give you a close-up of that now. Let's chuck this guy in and take a look at the actual sculpture. So, from what I can see, it looks pretty awesome. I actually like this quite a lot. I see one thing though, that the PVC here doesn't sit flat on the ground. That makes it look like it's PVC, but it's actually not bad at all. You can see the detail in his bandages. They look awesome. The seam lines, very slight. Yeah, very slight. You'd only find them if you're looking for them. You've done an awesome job deburring them. And yeah, obviously the 6-gate power or chakra flowing from him, it looks awesome. It looks really cool. I'm very happy with the statue. And what did I pay for the statue? I paid $27 US from AliExpress. Now that's pretty awesome. Like, yeah, awesome. Don't know if you know, but Rock Lee's one of my favourite characters from Naruto, obviously. And let's take a closer look at some of the detail on the rocks. So you can see the rocks, they're weathered very nicely. They look quite solid. It's not too much cracking. There is one seam in the rock, but you won't notice it at all. The form, the 6-gate drunken form, not drunken, just the 6-gate form looks amazing. His facials look like they do in the anime. The face doesn't look like Rock Lee too much, but that's because of the state he's in. You can see they've done an awesome job on his jacket. I'll show you the underside of his jacket. It's flowing very nicely. Even on the toes, the sculpt is awesome. Great sculpt. I actually think I have a hunch that this is a rip-off of some company that's done it better. I don't know the company that's done it better. I know that GK Studios does one similar like this, but I don't know which one it's come from. Okay, the statue is obviously green because that's Rock Lee's base colour, and his chakra flows green when he powers up. And they've done an awesome job making it transparent, translucent. I'll give you a nice rotation of this whole statue now. As you can see in the sculpt, they've done an awesome job of getting the flow right. Just getting the flow right, making it look like a combination of power, of heat, of flow. Yeah, pretty brilliant. So it cost me $27. That's extremely cheap. For that price, this has to be a rip-off. If you can afford the real thing, go for the real thing. I obviously can't, but I couldn't help myself. I'm a massive fan of Rock Lee. And I genuinely wanted to see the quality of these rip-off statues. But I genuinely believe the people that do have the capability to buy the good products will buy the good products. And the people that don't, won't. I have full intention of buying the real thing down the line. But I'd still like to just put some stuff on my shelf in the meantime. What mistakes, what flaws can I see in the statue? Now, I can't see too many, to be honest. I see a minor seam over here, but that seam's not bad at all. Other than that, it's awesome for $27 US. I see one flaw actually. I see one flaw on the statue. Under closer examination, you can see that there is a seam over here, but staring at it for 5 minutes I couldn't see it. So I don't think it's too bad. It blends in to the environment. Shall we move on to the facts? Yeah, let's do it. Fact number 1. Rock Lee's birthday is the same day as Bruce Lee's birthday. So that's November 27th. Another fact is that, if you don't really know, he's based off the character Bruce Lee. Fact number 2. In this next picture I'll show you, you can actually see in the normal animation of Rock Lee, he's got the word ninja written across his hair. You can't see it in this statue, but you'll see it in the picture I show up somewhere around here. Fact number 3. Rock Lee's a pretty specific guy, and his favourite curry is medium spicy curry. With the statue though, you can see that the PVC actually flexes quite a lot, so it's not solid like glass, it's not resin. You will be able to feel that cheapness, I would say. It is cheap, but the cheapness from the touch, it won't be glass, or won't be glass, it won't be resin, it would be PVC, which moves pretty malleably.
That's a made-up word.
What word's made up?
The pros and cons of the statue are nothing bad. I can't really see anything bad about the statue. Maybe the space requirement for the statue, but even so, I still think this is a decent space. It doesn't take up too much head height. Even if your shelf was too small, it sort of bends, so you could squash it into wherever you need to. So that's all. Thanks for cheering in. Thanks for tuning in to Shadow Sam Statues for another review. Hope you guys enjoyed it or looked forward. So that's it. Thanks for tuning. Okay, that's it.
Tuning in.
That's it. Thanks for tuning in to Shadow Sam Statues. I hope you enjoyed the review of Rock Lee. He's one of the coolest, fastest characters out there. Join me for another review. I've got another cool statue like him, and this one is my guy, his sensei. So if you want to see what this one looks like, tune to the next video. In fact, it might not be the next video, but tune to the video coming along to see his...
It was going well until you said it might not be the next video. Yeah. Just...
So thanks for tuning in to Shadow Sam Statues. Hope you enjoyed the review of Rock Lee. He's one of the coolest, fastest characters out there. I do have his sensei, my guy. I'll review this soon. So subscribe, comment. If you want to follow my Instagram, it's down below. If you want to follow my personal Instagram, it's down below. Tune to follow Shadow Sam Statues, subscribe, like, comment, and tell me what you want to see. I'd love to hear it. Thanks guys. See ya.